Friday. What's that, 28th, 29th? Good Friday. Anyways, up on the roof, taking a look at the trap out that was left for a few days too long. And here's the view. So let's see what happens. Well, on the parapet, the bees had built, they have built a hive inside the overhang. So all this is fascia for the building, and last year we went underneath because they were coming out through that area, not knowing that the upstairs or up on the roof was a built out. So then a little bit later she calls again. I got more bees, the roofer says. So we're up on the roof. Yeah, it looks like the roofer did some work. And those bees still having leaking problems in this corner. Anyways, let me walk around the front. There's one of our trap out boxes. It's held up pretty good so far. And we've got bees coming in and out, so that's good. I don't see any more parapet problems. We had to come up here and do the screening because these vents, vents were the doorway for the bees, just big enough the bees were getting in and out. So we came up and did that for them. Yeah. But today's activity, I'm just double checking to see what's going on, see what I have up here. Because my original pictures were a trap out box that we have. It's a 4-frame nuke, not a big problem to transport. But yeah, no bee activity on these, so that's good. So we got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 little openings. Anyways, these styrofoam containers I started using, those are big enough for 8-frame, and they were perfect. They didn't cost me anything, so. And it looks like the bees are going in and out of the box. So the trap out was a success. Got this new camera, but it's black. And the bees don't like black for whatever reason. Holy moly! They've eaten 2 entrances out of this thing. The trap out looks like they stopped using that, so that's good. You can see. They built themselves quite a nice home in there. And as you can see, they don't like the black camera. They're sort of like, hey, what the hell's that? But now, my quandary, how am I going to get this thing down? Because I don't want to just take it down styrofoam, because it's liable to fall apart mid-flight. So what we're going to have to do is build a container, probably some number 8 mesh with screening, so like a exterior box. Looks like they're doing okay in there. Yeah, they didn't like the close-up. Okay, that's it for today. You can see so what I have to do is come up here late at night or evening, dusk, patch up the holes, build my number 8 mesh, probably like a shipping crate with mesh on it so that they can breathe. Put that whole thing in there. This way it's sturdy enough to lower it down by rope, not to worry about it breaking. My guess is going to be pretty heavy. It's been up here for a while. It looks like they're packed in there, so I don't want to take any chances of having that thing break. Okay, that's it for now. I'll give Marilyn an update and then we can go from there. Yep.